welcome back to the Man's Kitchen. It's me, your host, James the Food Man. And as you can guess, with me sitting on the opposite end of the table, today we're going to do another unboxing video. That's right, this is now, I believe, our third Dalstrong unboxing video. And we're going to be doing the Nakria, which is a 7-inch vegetable knife. Now, before we continue on with this, let's hit that subscribe button if you're new here. Hit the bell icon if you like this video. Leave me a comment in the comment section down below about what kind of knives you like. I've been on this Dalstrong kick lately because they're good quality, affordable knives. I'm not being sponsored though. They haven't mailed me these. I bought them off Amazon. All the knives before this have been gifts from my wife. This one, however, my sister-in-law gave me some Amazon gift cards. Allegedly, I'm supposed to use them for more knives, so I could pick out a few on my own without them being gifts. So, after you hit all that like and subscribe and stuff, and follow us on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook, after you do that, I'll unbox this and show you actually what's in here. Okay, guys, so when you get these brand new, obviously, they come with the shrink wrap on them. And it is quite stiff to get them out. But once you get them out once, they tend to fall out. So you have to kind of push on it and give it a... Ugh. But they come out. And differences between the outer box and the inner box are the logo's moved. There's another logo. On the outer box, it only tells you with the barcode what the product is. On the inner box, we're told on the front that it's a Nakria. It's a 7-inch from the Gladiator series. On the back, we've got a picture of the product with a rundown of its, it's 16 to 18 degrees per side is what the blade angle is. There's all kinds of information, but this is the same German steel with Spanish wood, put on a boat or train or bus or donkey, sent to China, and done in a factory there, the same as all the other knives. When we open it up, it's the same smooth opening with the magnetic seal here. So all their boxes, at least from the Gladiator series, are like this. I don't have anything that isn't part of the Gladiator series, so again, it's all the standard fare. We've got the little book, tells us about the knife, knife maintenance, and then catalog. We've got another wiping cloth, happy or not happy card here. So what happens actually when you open this, if you're happy, they want you to give them a review, enjoy it, and connect with them on their website. If you're not happy with it, they want you to find them on their website and they want you to email them. VIP membership. I believe this is a different graphic than the last one. So at least they changed the pictures up on the cards. And this is now knife number 5, and I have another pin. And I'll tell you, I wore one of these pins to work the other day, and it kept coming undone, and I stabbed myself. So, yeah, just, needs to be maybe a little tighter. I've bent out some pliers or something to make the gap a little smaller so it doesn't keep popping out and stabbing me if I choose to show my public love of Dalstrong. And if you notice the pin too, it looks like it's a big chef knife with a little chef knife, which is kind of what I have. But let's look at this thing right here, presented to you with its nice wooden handle and its sheath on the blade, knife protector there, in the velvet lining. We've got the Nakria. And this, I've brought it to work only once so far. And the only thing I did that day with it was onions. But this thing is an onion beast. This might just end up living at work. I'm not sure. Some knives live at home and I take them to work once in a while. This might be the opposite. because when you are, it's nice and flat. So when you like chopping stuff, if you like doing stuff like this, if you like giving it that kind of motion, this thing's awesome because you can sit your onion down and just go waka 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 waka. And this thing is gorgeous for onions. I like it's got some heft to it. It's not crazy heavy. I would guess it's probably about 6 to 8 ounces. And it's got some good balance to it, right? Like if I put my finger here, it's gonna bounce more or less. And that's due to the full tang construction of these knives. You'll notice again, it's all one piece of the metal. The handles are riveted on. They're paca wood from Spain. They all have basically, grab one from off camera here, they all basically have the same handle, right? That was the 6-inch chef knife. This is the 10-inch chef knife. And again, the handle construction is the same. The only handle construction that's a little different is the butcher knives. So like the Devastator here that weighs in at 1.5 pounds. You'll see that it's actually quite a bit wider. And that's because it deals with the, helps you balance the extra weight of that beast. But this is the Nakria. So my wife actually didn't want me to get this. I got this and another one. She wanted me to get the Ravager, which is another butcher knife. And I said, well, I should get something practical. I already have the crazy Devastator. We can get the Ravager later on, but right now let's get something practical. And I spent a day with this I did like a 20-pound box of onions with it. And I went through it more comfortably and a little faster than I did with a traditional European-style chef's knife. So I'm actually a huge fan of this thing. This is a nice workhorse that I'm glad I was able to add this to my arsenal. Well, everybody, that was the unboxing of the Dalstrong Nakria 7-inch Japanese-style produce or vegetable knife. We went through the box, what you should expect in the box. No keychain again, just throwing it out there. I would love a keychain. This thing is a beast at work. Onions like they owed me money. I was just wacka 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 choppa choppa choppa. So I would highly advise, if you're looking for something, if maybe you're a vegetarian even, get yourself one of these vegetable knives. It doesn't have to be a Dalstrong. Obviously, I'm not sponsored by them. I don't really care if you buy one of these or you buy a Hinkle. I got no vested interest in this, other than I'm sticking with these right now to build a new set because I like the cost on these, and I like the feel of them. If you got Hinkle money, then though, by all means, go buy Hinkles. If you've got dollar store money, go to the dollar store. At the end of the day, the tools might make the job easier, but it's your skill that's going to make the job great. Till we meet again, have yourself a great time.